in most of the Asian countries, if you go in their market, guys, you'll find like in every product, like they will be having a tag price. But in Africa, guys, you just have to know that it's not the same. Here, people sell according to their prices, and the good thing here, I'm seeing like they are putting like the tag, like the price number, which is something also better. And you can see like up here they wrote the prices. They wrote the prices for the most of the important items, and the small items they will tell you. So this is good, like to avoid scams, guys. So in case you are new in the market and you don't know the selling price, so like here you see like tomato, huh? So this is like tomato, like almost 6 pieces. They are selling with 1,000, which is like 1,000 Ugandan shilling. Okay, remember that $1 here. Remember $1 here. $1 is equivalent to 3,500 Ugandan shilling. So you can now know how much is the selling price. Margin bara? But when Riccardi? Okay. Man, we are lost. This market is our first time.